Ready? 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Slow. Basic 1. Power in the frame, turn the girl and make a bigger step as the girl in the second step. So we do 1, frame power, turn the girl, she goes back and I go a little bit bigger. So I don't go here, I go there. Then on the free, I use this frame to bring her back. With the left I push, or I can even bring the hand inside and pull, free. On the 4 I give the leg up, 4, and I go under the girl, okay? At the same time, I reach connection with her with the body and hold her very close. Now, I fall back and I let her stay on my upper thigh and keep her with my right hand close, okay? At this moment, I have her on my leg, and I can bring her back with me. Okay? She's still on my leg. She's still holding her power, her body weight there. Then I go with the right leg forward, because I have the body weight completely on the left, and hold her body up so I can slide her leg a little bit, not too much. Then I go with this leg back. Okay, very important, because I was here, I have to go back and bring her completely on her leg. Now, she's staying with the leg up because I'm holding her here. If I would release this tension, she would go down. Okay, so if you want the girl to stay there, either you keep the hand, or you keep the hand here, because if you don't, she will go with the leg down. In this motion, you bring her back. Now, you guide her forward. 1. You keep turning her. 2. Body connection with the right thigh, and then you go side. Okay? So.